My beautiful and amazing people, who don't observe say Ipa is now restless over Regina Daniel. Ever since Regina Daniel officially bring out her lawyers, say make dem start this case, say she intentionally come back because she cannot continue to fight this case if she is far away. She need to face the matter bumper to bumper. Who observe say Ipa don humble like this? So my people, no be small thing. No wonders they say it shall never end. Tori don war. Hey, I no gree. Na im finally don tear cloth o. My people, una know talk say Ipa, ever since Regina Daniel avoided him and stopped coming out to post, was just on the silence and doing what she is doing. Who observe say, Ipa dey restless. Now, according to the information wey we dey hear, say Ipa go extra miles to start dey call Regina Daniel and im mama say make dem come o. Say Regina Daniel pikin e no feel fine. Wetin happen? E no fit even explain. Now, una know say Ipa travel to Delta State for how many days now? On that their traveling, e still posted it that they go for sports. And during that last sport wey they come go, the small pikin wey be Regina Daniel last born, wey be Khalifa, as a result of playing, na so e come go bend im leg. Even though the bending of leg no really be anything like that o, with rub and with proper massage, everybody go dey alright. Na im dey say Ipa, you know say that time wey Regina Daniel dey come post, im dey bothered. E dey see am say, Regina Daniel, okay, na this level she don reach now, na this level, because the more she come out come post say, she is doing okay. She come out come post this one, come out come post that one. Im go come now know say, so she is okay. But as she is on the silent, doing her thing, sending her lawyers to do the needful, omo, this man no dey comfortable. E don dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata. Now, na im dey find to see Regina Daniel. Regina Daniel now don come scarce like money. Na im now dey find to see Regina Daniel. Now, as the leg just dislocate, no be say serious dislocate like that, because the boy still dey use am dey waka, dey do things wey im dey do. Na im dey say Ipa come go dey call Mama Regina Daniel say, come o, una pikin no well o. This one, that one o. Make dem call Regina Daniel, because una know say as Regina don talk am say she no get any business with Ipa again, based on person wey don know wetin im eye see. They say na eyewitness wey see, na im know wetin im eye see. When they finally slap eyewitness, na at that time na eyewitness go know whether im eye see something or e no see something. Now, ever since Regina Daniel just decide say she no wan get anything to do with am again, even talking to the children, na nanny na im dey in charge. Even when she dey obodo oyibo, we all see how Regina Daniel called the nanny carry them go, because na the nanny dey in charge of the children. Na the work wey the nanny come to do be that. So she no get anything to do with Ipa. Na the nanny and her children na she get business with. So as Ipa come call Mama Regina, according to the information, allegedly they say she start dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata. They call Regina Daniel, say, come o, my daughter, see wetin they say happen, see wetin they say happen o. How far? Come o, make we rush o. They say they wan carry the boy go hospital. He don reach the level wey be say im say make him call you, carry you along. Na they say Regina Daniel say lie. She dey come first. She no go just jump, in as much as say no be her nanny na im call her say the pikin no well. So she no go just jump, follow the trend like that. She go gats to do the needful by calling the nanny, to hear from the nanny, hear from the horse's mouth, to know how far and how well. Now, Regina Daniel will tell him mother say make he hold on, he go call nanny. He finally call nanny o. Guess what? Nanny come carry video of Khalifa, come send down for her, say no, say true, as they dey play table tennis, the boy mistakenly hit in leg, but they don't do a massage, they don't do am so many things. Now the boy is doing okay, fine and good. He dey waka, but just that he dey live small, but he's okay. no be serious matter like that, but Ipa dey insist say they go carry am go hospital, make they go check on the leg, make they do x-ray, make they do this, make they do that, whether they go tie am bandage, whether whether you know go they use the leg, they say, but see am. Now Regina Daniel can't carry the video where the girl do slide video send for her. She can't carry and send am for the mother, say make the mother see oh, you see say the boy dey very very okay, nothing dey do am. So wetin dis man dey really dey look for where she dey now? What is this man looking for, and why is he after her life? Shebi na him talk say she be crackhead, she be this, she be that. Abeg, say make Mama Regina tell the Ipa say Regina no dey around, and now she is worried. She really want to come see the boy. So make she hear wetin Ipa go talk. May na she come instead of Regina, because Regina is not around. Now wetin Regina tell the mama be that. The mama come say okay. When Ipa come call again, come ask say has she called Regina Daniel, and when are they coming, so that he go disclose the hospital to them. Now the mama Regina say she is on her way. She will come any moment from now. Please, you should disclose the hospital. Now Ipa say, is the Regina coming with you? Say no. Now only she now they come. Regina is not coming with her. Now Ipa say no. If Regina is not coming with her, they should forget about it. Say na Regina will be the mama of the pikin. Now the pikin they cry. As the pikin they cry, they call her. Now she the pikin won't see, not Mama Regina Daniel. And Mama Regina say to Regina no dey. And now you say the pikin they cry. At least ever since we were together, we're there. No time where those children see me, where they don't know talk say, I be their grandmama. When they born am, I was there. When they grow, I was there. I just dey like their mother. So now when my daughter no dey, shebi you go come allow the pikin come dey cry for nothing. Abeg, let me have access to the children. Let me come and see the child, know how and what we are going to do about it. Ipa say no. Na Regina Daniel will be the mother. Now in wants make it come. Now Mama Regina say, sorry to disappoint him. He no go allow Regina Daniel no dey around, and now she dey around. So anywhere where they won't carry the matter go, may they carry and go. She, the grandmother, say she want to come and take her daughter's space and check up on her grandson. Nedwoko say Lailayo, he no gree. Now the question wey me I want even ask for this matter be say, oh, this one never pass bitter leaf Cynthia so. Now you say this person, when she was in the picture, she know they sit down for one place. Now from one clubhouse to the other, from one hotel to the other, even the children know they see her as a mother. Now the children now don't they cry for the same person, and now you don't define the same person. Make it make sense now. The same crackhead, the same whatever where you don't call her. Now the same crackhead now, and you define up and down, they run helter skelter. Why? Because Regina dey on the silent, they do her thing. The next thing where Mama Regina go later call am, after which Regina Daniel can call her lawyers, because she don't get lawyer now where they for the case, where they file for that birth certificate matter, her age, where they say they will give am 14 years in prison if he is found guilty that he forged Regina Daniel this thing. He got married to her at 17 years plus, not up to 18 years. So as they, say she don't already get lawyers where they tackle that case already. So Omoyele Sowore don't tell Regina Daniel say if there is anything, you should always call her. Let them talk first before she will take any step and action. So like this, so now Regina Daniel can't call am, say see you. See wetin Ned will go talk again. Say her pikin, she is worried. Now even give her the hint. Say make she call her nanny first, hear from her nanny before she will take step. Now Omoyele can tell her say, as from now henceforth, anything that Ned Woko want you to come do, or either he wants you to come see your child or anything, he should always go through your lawyer. Thank God you now have a lawyer. You should go through your lawyer. Now your lawyer go give whether he approve say you go see him or you no go see him. Other na the one where we say now your lawyer go first before anything. Say aside that, she should never, because the matter already dey for court of law, and they stated it clearly that until Regina Daniel go for rehabilitation for a particular place in Abuja, make them no allow, until she come with certificate, make them no allow the pikin go near the mama. So you now telling the mother now to come see the pikin. What are you even thinking? What are you thinking? What are you doing to yourself? My people, matter dey o. People dey o for this life. May God no ever allow us carry our hand go buy market wey pass us. They always dey talk and say, get married to old man, make you get peace, because they don't go through a lot already. So they go pamper you and honor you and respect you. But Ipa own, na real ancestors. These ancestors sef, na the ancient of days own. The one wey we say they don turn ancestors, come turn to spiritual husband. Na im be this one so. May God come deliver us, deliver Regina from the hand of this man. The same you wey talk say she dey take things and things, she cannot take care of herself, her environment, she no dey baff, her environment dirty. The same you now don become, hey, God abeg. My people, na the matter be this. So what are your take? What do you think? Do you think Regina, the advice that Omoyele Sowore gave to her is the best? Abi una get another option? Make una drop am for the comment section and share this video. Say una never can tell if it will reach her in the nearest future. Give the video a massive thumbs up. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.